The fourth industrial revolution. Who will control the new world system? What is causing global instability? The world faces wars, inflation, AI hype, and climate shocks. These crises are part of a larger transition. We're in a shift between industrial eras like steam, electricity, and computing before it. The fourth industrial revolution, coined by Klaus Schwab, brings changes with AI, clean energy, and advanced materials. This isn't just tech, it's about who controls global power. Every industrial revolution reshaped power dynamics. During the first industrial revolution, steam and mechanization fueled the British Empire. In the second industrial revolution, electricity and oil led to mass production. By the third industrial revolution, electronics solidified US dominance and globalization. In the fourth industrial revolution, AI and green energy shaped the new economy. Those who control production systems determine the global order. What is the fourth industrial revolution? The fourth industrial revolution is a struggle for control over future resources, including advanced materials and biological engineering. Innovations like self-healing materials and nanotechnology enhance industries like healthcare and aerospace. Biological engineering drives breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and energy. These technologies blur the boundaries of physical, digital, and biological realms. For the US and China, the fourth industrial revolution is existential. It dictates future economic rules. The victor will lead innovation and establish global standards. The 5 layers of the fourth industrial revolution. The earth layer, the muscle layer, the brain layer, the compute layer, the governance layer. Layer 1, the earth layer. Essential minerals like lithium and cobalt are key for EVs and AI chips. And China processes over 80% of rare earths. Global demand for critical minerals will rise significantly by 2040. Grid readiness is now a critical differentiator. China's ultra-high voltage transmission build-out allows integration and faster scaling, whilst the US faces bottlenecks in project approvals. Layer 2, the muscle layer. China dominates battery and solar supply chains. The US invests heavily in chip production, but China leads in battery supply chains and solar PV. Layer 3, the brain layer. Artificial intelligence models power the new economy, enhancing productivity across sectors. Layer 4, the compute layer. Chip design is dominated by the US, but Taiwan and South Korea lead fabrication. China invests heavily to reduce gaps in these areas. Layer 5, the governance layer. Global competition involves setting data laws and trade standards, with divergent models in the US and China. Nations that coordinate these layers will influence the next world order. Why the world today feels fragmented? Today's instability signals a new system. Supply chains are being weaponized, whilst artificial intelligence is emerging as a vital infrastructure. Clean energy now plays a key geopolitical role, and traditional institutions are failing. Opportunities. Amidst tensions, the fourth industrial revolution offers vast potential. AI can enhance sectors like energy and healthcare. Green industries, resilient supply chains, and digital sovereignty are notable opportunities. Emerging markets can leapfrog towards advanced technologies. Final thought. The fourth industrial revolution is transforming lives and reshaping power dynamics. Data, intelligence, and control over value chains are the new drivers. The pivotal question is, are you designing the system, or will you be shaped by it? If you found our insights useful, consider subscribing to Decoder Insights.